Let's make easy masala papad. So for that, you need a pan and of course a papad. I'm just using murray and it's very healthy snack. You can eat it whenever you want to. It just take about like a 5 minute to make this kind of a recipe. So yeah, gotta make this. It's very easy to make, it's very healthy. We are not frying this papad. You can also fry if you want to, but here we're not using any oil for this first papad, but for the second one that we're gonna show you in a second, we're gonna apply a little bit of oil there, but we didn't use any oil for this first papad. So you can also, I'm trying to press here a little bit on my papad so it doesn't curve. So and then we flip it until it becomes slightly a little bit brownish, or however you want to. So here I'm done with my first papad, and then I'm gonna take my now a second papad, and for this one actually I apply maybe not even a half tablespoon of oil and just kind of spread it on the papad. And just like we did the last time with my first papad, actually I'm not making this, my friend is making this, so that's why I'm saying we are making this. So here, yeah, she's kind of pressing it again just like we did the first time with the first papad, and until it becomes slightly a little bit golden brown. So now it's a topping time. So for that we are using some vegetables for that. I already chopped that in a little pieces. So we add some onion first, just like we are showing you right here, and also add some cucumber. You can add some cucumber if you want to, and also some tomatoes. We like more tomatoes, and also some more cilantro on top. The more cilantro you have, it's gonna be more tastier. So go ahead and add some whole bunch of cilantro if you want to. Alright, and then if you like a little bit spicier, you can also use these green chilies. Make sure you cut it in very smaller pieces if you want to. And then we add some chaat masala on top. You can also add some salt if you want to. And the last ingredients you definitely want to have this for this papad masala is this lime juice. A little bit of lime juice makes it a lot more tastier, and it looks so yummy already, and it was very yummy, guys. All right, so now it's for my second papad. Remember, I make two type of papad. One is with the oil and one is without the oil. So this one is without the oil. Both are healthier, whichever you want to do. We did again the same thing, add some more add some onion, tomatoes, cilantro, and all other ingredients that we add last time. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and if you are enjoying this video, go ahead and give a big thumbs up to this video, and you get to see some more easy and fun recipes to watch. And also, if you have any question, just leave a comment down below. And we are almost done with this papad, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, after we are done with this, we didn't wait for even a second, we just kind of eat the whole thing. And I hope you guys enjoy, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. And also like this video. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time for my another easy recipes. Bye.